All types of phospholipids have two fatty acid pieces and a glycerol on the top, and then the part that makes them different is the type of phospholipid that's added to the top. One type of phospholipid is this. Another type of phospholipid the third type of phospholipid this is the last type of phospholipid.
When in water, phospholipids will float to the surface, and the hydrophilic heads will be underwater, while the hydrophobic tails will stick out of the water. This is called a monolayer. When phospholipids are submerged in water, the hydrophobic tails form together to create a micelle. When two layers of phospholipids are submerged in water, they create a liposome. Water can be found in the very center with the hydrophilic heads. Oxygen can move freely between the cell and pass through the membrane without any channel or active proteins to move it through.
Glucose passes through the carrier protein until it reaches equilibrium.
The water passes through the channel protein in passive transport until it reaches equilibrium. Potassium and the sodium move in and out of the cell through active transport when the ATP breaks off of the phosphate group. 3 sodium enter the pump and then push through to the outside of the cell. And then 2 potassiums enter the pump and are pushed into the cell. This makes the charge in the cell plus 14 and the charge outside the cell plus 16. And then 3 more potassium enter the pump and leave the cell. And then 2 potassium enter the pump and enter the cell. And this makes the charge inside the cell plus 13 and the charge outside plus 17.